Grundy gang, 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 movie. Spend 10 racks on.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Jadon Grundy back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, hit the like button and that bell button so you can be part of the notification gang, because I got a lot of heat coming on this channel, man. It's gonna be great. But with all that being said, we gonna get into this video today. Now, if you subscribe to my channel and you've been following me for a minute now, you know I do this little series called Rating Subscribers Outfits, where basically I'm just using my platform to give y'all a platform so that you can showcase your outfits or your clothing brand or whatever that is. I'm giving you a platform so you can show that out, give a name out, because you guys been supporting me, so I'm supporting y'all back. So basically, this is just kind of like a give or take thing. So my platform has now became your platform, and the more you share these videos and the bigger this little series gets, the bigger you guys' platform will be, the bigger my platform will be. So we'll all just be, you know what I'm saying, taking over the internet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rate subscribers' outfits. All you gotta do to be part of this is follow my Instagram and then post your favorite outfit picture and hashtag Grundy Gang. You can submit as many times as you want. I'm just picking pictures, probably on like a monthly basis or somewhere around there, and I'll just pick like 10 outfits and I'll show them on here. Or if you guys want to send in gear, I'll leave all my PO box information, I'll leave it up here and I'll put it down in the description. So if you want to send out like your clothing brand or something like that, I'll be more than happy to show it on the channel, man, whether I like it or not. I'll show it, give my opinions, and that'll be that. So basically we're gonna get into rating the subscribers' outfits. Now the way I do this is I basically have this thing called a fly scale, because you know what I'm saying, if you part of the Grundy gang, you fly, bro, already. So we got this fly scale. It's a 1 out of 5 fly emoji. So however fire your outfit is, that is what you will be getting. So right off the bat, you know what I'm saying, disclaimer, just because I think an outfit is whatever out of the fly scale doesn't mean your outfit is the best of the best or the worst of the worst. You know what I'm saying? This is just my opinion. We just having fun here, you know what I'm saying? Grundy gang, we just a family, bro. We having fun on this channel, man. So basically, let's get right into it. So there wasn't nothing sent in this time, so basically what I did was I added another picture, so there's gonna be 11 pictures instead of 10, which is good for y'all, because, you know what I'm saying, the pictures coming in a lot more often than clothing, so we just gonna get into the pictures. Now the first outfit we gonna get into is Schizo J.B. I hope I said that right, but this outfit is flames, bro. He got the Vans, which you can't go wrong with. Vans old schools go with everything. He has the desert camo pants. Then he has the utility vest. Y'all know I rock with the utility vest. This is a green colorway, so I don't got that one. That one's fire. I might have to pick that up somewhere. So he has that. Then he has on, he tagged PacSun. So he has a PacSun shirt on. All of this kind of goes together because that desert camo vibe goes with the vest. One thing I'd probably change is I probably would have got a little better pick of the outfit. I don't know, that angle, it's kind of hard to see everything, but overall I think the outfit is dope. Like, just looking at the outfit by itself, dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 fly scale emojis, man. Everything's matching up. It's fire, bro. I'll give you that. So yeah, that's Schizo JB. Now the next outfit, definitely really nice and well put together as a photo. Nice outfit picture. He doesn't have the whole outfit, but it's by _scumbag. This outfit is dope. He has the Supreme tee, box logo tee. I forget what collab that is, bro. Forgive me, man. I've seen so many clothing and so many Supreme, and bro, it's just a lot. So some of the stuff I forget. So if you know what it is, go ahead and comment it down below. But yeah, he has a Supreme box logo tee. Then he has like a nice jacket and his Sherpa line to the inside. And then he has a nice like keychain on the pants. Y'all don't be looking at the details, but I look at the details, bro. That keychain adds a little accent to the outfit. Then he has on black pants. And just the overall composition and aesthetic of this photo is just clean to me. Even the way he has it like dropped off his shoulder a little bit so it shows the box logo. Like, just little stuff like that. Pay attention to detail. It's just dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this the 3.5 out of the fly scale emojis, man. That's _scumbag. So that's the second outfit. We're gonna get into the next one. Now for the third outfit, this is a nice clean outfit. Like, when I was searching through all the outfits, this one stood out to me. I don't know if it was the camo, but just the accents of this, like the white and the camo and the white and the S, like just a whole bunch of this outfit all goes together and flows good to me. So that's a dope outfit. He has nice accessories. The bag is by Everest. I don't know that brand. Also don't know this brand of the shirt, but overall, man, this is a nice clean outfit. The orange accents definitely makes it pop. But yeah, that's a dope outfit. I'm giving it 3.5 out of 5 on the fly scale emojis, man. So that's peepful. So the fourth outfit definitely stood out to me, bro, because this outfit is like one of those vintage outfits that just looks like he went to the thrift store and really searched and like picked out these nice pieces. He has on this polo sport sweatshirt. I can just tell that it looks like it's made from a different era. Like, it just, the quality looks dope. I don't have the sweater obviously to actually feel it and all that, but like just looking at it, it just has that nice washed out yellow look that just looks really nice. He also paired it with Ralph Lauren all over print pants. Then he has on the Comme des Garçons like Chuck looking shoes. So he has that. All this goes together. I like how he complemented it with the background. It has like a nice artistic feel. It's kind of a lot going on in the background, but I don't think it takes away from the outfit. I think it's strong by itself. But that's the outfit by Dom Haley. If I'm about to say that right, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that outfit a solid 4 out of 5 on the fly scale emojis, man. I really think that's a dope outfit, and it just looks really classy. So that's that. So for the fifth outfit, we have an outfit by Styled by Dave. Now this outfit's clean. Right off the bat, I can see he has this like nice jacket. It's kind of like a race jacket or like one of those sponsored jackets. I forget what they're called, but honestly, I've been looking for a jacket like this. I couldn't really find it. I was hoping to find something like this and maybe like a thrift or something like that, because it looks kind of like, you know what I'm saying? It's a little more rare. It's not like exclusively rare, but I don't see that way too often, so I definitely picked this outfit. He has on his own brand, it looks like, of hoodie, because I don't know what brand that is, but it has like, it says Davion, I think. Davion, something like that. So I'm assuming Styled by Dave, I'm assuming that's his brand. So that's the hoodie. Then he has on these Air Force Ones with the Nike swoosh. It kind of looks like the Vuitton collab Nike Air Force One, but I think that little yellow swoosh goes with like the lining of whatever. I can't tell what that says because it's not buttoned up, but the big lettering across the chest accents well with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it I'm stuck between a 3.5 and a 4 on the fly scale emoji. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give him a 4. Forget it. 4 out of 5 on the fly scale emojis, man. That's Styled by Dave. Now for number 6, we got that good hype beast outfit. You know what I'm saying? I gotta give him credit because I do like this jacket and how it looks. But this is by Lord Pinch. He has on. He's supremed out, honestly. He got the Supreme Times North Face jacket that came out this year. Then he has the Supreme bag. He's wearing it across his chest. Then he has on, I think, some Supreme pants. Yeah, it says Supreme on the side of it. So he has on the Supreme pants. Then he got on the Nike Air Force Ones with that like glowing white, that like with that like 3M glowing it. So that's his outfit. All of it goes well together, man. He couldn't have paired it any better, honestly. But just keeping it that whole Supreme, you know what I'm saying, branding, I think it was just a dope outfit. So I'm definitely gonna give it a 4 out of 5 on the fly scale emojis, man. That's Lord Pinch. Now for the 7th outfit, we got an outfit by Chigo Rossman or Chi Grossman. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but this outfit is not like crazy in terms of like brands and like different colors and stuff, but to be honest, bro, this is a super fly picture and outfit. When I look at a picture, you gotta look at how everything balances out. Like, he has an all black outfit on, then he has complements with the black door, then he has like that white house paneling that kind of gives it like an accent. So with all that going on, him having the simple black on black outfit, bro, you couldn't have done it any better. So, and then it's not like he missed out on brands and stuff like that, because he really did take his time and, you know what I'm saying, chose these brands. So then he has on like the Nike Lab Air Maxes, then he has on the Carhartt overalls, then he has on a Palace hoodie, and then a Pata beanie. So come on, bro. The outfit's clean. I gotta give him a 4.5 out of 5 of the fly scale emojis, man. That's him. So for the 8th outfit, we got the Duke of Well. Now this outfit's super clean, bro. That like silky looking velour jacket that he got on. I don't know what brand it is, but that joint look fire, bro. Then he has on the Supreme undershirt. Then he has on black pants. Then he has on, like, you know what I'm saying, the fur hat. You know what I'm saying? Finessing out here, you know what I'm saying, with the fur hat. Eskimo status. But nah, that outfit is overall clean, man. Then he has the snow in the background. I feel like snow in the background of pictures really be making black outfits pop. So whenever you have something black on and it's like a white tee under it, bro, it's just gonna pop, bro. So that is the Duke of Well. I'm giving it a solid 3.5 out of fly scale emojis. So we moving on to the next one. So for the 9th outfit, we got this outfit by Sean Avelli. This outfit, right off the bat, I like the t-shirt. Last year being broke, then it has the end, so broken. But last year being broke is definitely the motto, you know what I'm saying? We trying to ball out here, we trying to get to that next level. But the t-shirt's fire, pants, that pattern is crazy, bro. It has like a checker pattern, then it has like some super detailed like pinstripe lines through it. Yo, them pants is hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Then he has on the Louis V bag, side bag. Then he has on a leather jacket with some Air Force One. I said Air Force One, bro. It's been a long day. Then he has on the Shadow Ones, the George Shadow Ones, man. So this outfit is clean. I like how all these colors go together. That gray and the pants, and then the white, black. Only thing I probably would have changed is the Louis V bag. He probably didn't really need it, or it's just not the right colors to go with this outfit. So that's probably something I would change. But besides that, outfit's fire, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4 out of 5 on the fly scale emoji. So that's Sean Avelli. So for the 10th outfit, we got an outfit by Lil Sus. Now, first off, right off the bat, the name could be a rap name, bro. I can definitely see Lil Sus being a, you know what I'm saying, a trending rap name. But nah, he has on the dope Vetement hoodie. Super clean. I always loved how Vetement did that writing. And then they had like the red one, the red like graphic tee. That's just dope, bro. And then I don't know who this is, but it's his friend or somebody. He has on the Stone Island sweater with the Stone Island pants, and then he has the flame Vans on. I'm not sure if I would have thrown those together because like the camos don't match, and then the Vans, I don't know about that other outfit. But the one outfit with the black Vetements, that's definitely fire. It's clean, it's nice and simple. Then he has on Comme des Garçons, so that's a clean outfit. Overall, the pictures are really plain, so I think it goes well with the outfit being a simple outfit, simple background. Looks nice together. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 3 out of 5 on the fly scale. But we got one more for y'all, man. So we got Raygun T. Now Raygun T, this outfit is kind of like more on that like edgier side. He has on the striped shirt, and then he has on the bandanas to give it accents with the blue. He has a nice range of accessories on his wrist. So this is just, I like the pic of like just a portrait of his face, because the extra strings on like the bandana and stuff, I just thought it really gave a nice portrait look. That's really why I chose this outfit. The blues and everything goes well together. So overall, I'm gonna go ahead and give that, just for the creativity, bro, I'm giving it a 3.5 out of the 5 fly scale emoji. So that is Raygun T. Fire, bro. So those are all the outfits, man. 11 solid outfits on this thing. Hey, keep posting y'all pictures with the hashtag Grundy Gang, cause we gonna take over, bro. I mean, we have no choice but to take over. So we getting bigger, man. Keep posting them. I'm gonna keep doing these videos to give y'all a platform so we can just grow as a team, as a family, all of that. So keep doing that. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can be a part of these. Also, all the rest of my social medias will be down in the description. But there's more things coming soon to this video, man. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video. And we just gonna grow, man. I'll be back to you guys with more videos. Peace.